SKAPS Industries is a global leader in protecting, sustaining, and reinforcing the Earth's environment. Our geosynthetics are extensively used in drainage, filtration, separation, stabilization, reinforcement, asphalt overlay, and erosion control. SKAPS fiberglass fabrics are used in marine, aerospace, and wind energy applications. They ensure exceptional stability, integrity, and reinforcement to the structure. SKAPS Industries was established in 1996 in Commerce, Georgia, USA, to manufacture the highest quality geonet and geocomposites, primarily used in landfills. Today, we are the largest manufacturers of geotextiles, drainage geonets, and geocomposites in the American subcontinent. We have a large international customer base across the US, Canada, South America, Australia, the Middle East, India, Africa, and Europe. SKAPS has the most comprehensive range of drainage products to meet the most demanding landfill applications. Geotextiles are available in various weights and can be laminated in either a single or double-sided configuration. We have 3 manufacturing locations in the USA, 4 in India, and 1 with a joint venture partner in Brazil. Having established industry leadership in geotextiles, SKAPS forayed into the production of fiberglass fabrics, which has composite applications across varied industries. Achieving the highest quality standards consistently requires the commitment to obtain the most modern equipment and proven technology from industry leaders and operated by experienced associates. SKAPS has 2 manufacturing locations in India for fiberglass fabrics. Both units employ cutting-edge technology and trained personnel. The 13,500 square meter Mundra facility is located in the Special Economic Zone of the Mundra Port, the largest and most efficient port facility in India. Being in this location provides us quick access to international shipping. Dealing directly with cargo ship companies allows us to leverage our costs. The 4,000 square meter Halol facility is strategically located just 1.5 hours away from Ahmedabad, in the hub of 2 major wind blade manufacturers. Manufacturing capacity at these 2 locations will be 37,000 metric tons of multi-axial fabrics annually. The multi-axial fabrics are made up of several plies of parallel fibers, which can be laid in different orientations. The individual layers are then stitched together with a polyester thread to form a single multi-axial reinforcement fabric, which can be cut, shaped, and placed dry into a mold in the exact position needed for the finished part. The straight uncrimped fibers within a multi-axial fabric allow good resin penetration and flow, which is ideal for infusion and light RTM. The stitching helps resin migration through the layers, perfect for maximizing infusion rates. Other materials available are woven roving, chopped strand mat, and flow mat fabrics. The ERP-based quality management system ensures consistent product quality and traceability. The fiberglass division is ISO 9000, 14000, and 18000 compliant, and the entire product range is DNV GL approved. Quality is the mantra at SKAPS and has been our foremost driving factor since inception. Our long-term objective is to continuously support our customers with certified products to protect the world and provide stronger and everlasting infrastructure. SKAPS Industries, the technical textile specialists.